Hi, this is Dr. Susan Gerleo from the Biz Savvy Therapist, and today I want to talk to you in our first video about business planning. And I know a lot of us can get excited and a little bit overwhelmed and a little bit anxious about planning for a business because we feel like there's so many parts that keep sort of moving around and we can't really get our hands around them and kind of nail down the steps we need to take. And so the program I'm putting together is actually going to help you with all that. But today, I don't want to talk about the nuts and bolts. I want to talk about sort of the emotions that go into building a business because a real solid business plan doesn't start here, it starts here. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the need to really start from a place of understanding your passion, your mission, and your vision. Because to start your own business, whether it be in healthcare or anything else, you really need to have a passion for what you're doing. And a reason why you're doing it, and a vision for where you want to see it go. Where do you want to be in 3 months? Where do you want to be in 6 months? Where do you want to be in 12 months, 5 years, 10 years? That may be a lot to think about, but you really have to come from a place of why do I want to be self-employed? And it can't solely be because I'll make more money. Because at the end of the day, you will work much harder growing your own business to make money than you would if you worked for somebody else. Now, the benefit in that is you'll have a lot more autonomy and a lot more freedom and a lot more independence as a self-employed person. So you get to choose the work that you do. You get to choose the people you work with. You get to choose sort of the structure and how you make your money. But, you know, at the end of the day, you're the one that's doing all the work that has to generate that income. Whereas you work for somebody else, they take care of kind of the structure, and you just kind of go in and do your thing and then check out at the end of the day and collect your paycheck. For those of us in mental health, it's actually even not that cut and dry. A lot of us do work extra hours and doing charting and on-call and things like that. So sometimes working for yourself is a lot easier, which is what I have found. But really, to keep doing business day after day after day after day, you have to be doing it for a reason. You have to be doing it for a passion. You have to be really focused on a vision and a reason to do it. For me, my reasons were twofold, really. One was primarily so that I could have the flexibility to be home with my son as often as possible. That was really my driver in saying, you know, how can I create a career where I have the flexibility to be a mom and a professional. And so I really kind of tried to put all the puzzle pieces together to make that work. And I would say, you know, I achieved that probably beyond what my original goal was. So so that was really exciting. And my other sort of reason and passion was because I really believe that children and children's mental health are very, very important to our communities, our families, and our future as a society. We need to really take care of our children. And I also think that kids with ADHD and autism are very misunderstood. I think that there's a lot of pressure on those kids to be different than who they are, and they actually have a lot of great qualities and super things that they can do and teach us. So I want to really help families raise healthy kids who just happen to have ADHD or autism, and that is a real passion of mine, and working with children in general is a real passion of mine. I love working with kids. So those two things are what drive my business and drive me to keep going day after day. You know, even when I don't feel like maybe doing what I have to do or this or that, my big vision and passions keep me going. And what ultimately has happened for me is most of the work I do does not feel like work. I don't get up every morning and go, ugh, I've got to, you know, see clients, or I've got to go to the office, or I have to make this video. Like, none of this feels work to me. It feels fun and it feels energizing. So as you start to consider a business plan, I want you to start here. I want you to really think about your passions and your reasons and your vision. So that will be the place where we start when I launch my innovative business practice program. So stay tuned for that. And I have 3 more videos coming up in the next few days talking more about business planning and each step along the way. So stay tuned for that too. This has been Dr. Susan Gerleo of the Biz Savvy Therapist.